Nĩ kumana na uthukangia munene wa mititu guku bururi-ini, undu uria ucungiriirie Ruhonge rwa mititu guku bururi-ini guthondeka gikundi kia mwanya gia kugitira mititu. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria gikundi giki Monica Kalenda, augite ni megugacirithia birigiceni ya kugitira mititu makinyitanira na aikari aria makoragwo hakuhi na mititu.
The service has embraced to scale up response in time to forest threats and public complaints in order to enhance forest protection. Under this strategy, the service has established 8 rapid response units across the country.
Oho akiuga maabitha othe aria makoragwo makigonderera wira-ini wao ni mekuerwo ikinya.
You as now the base commanders, the commanders of these rapid response forest inspection and patrol units, it will be your duty to be doing those investigations for me, and you will be reporting the results of those investigations directly to me.
Ginyagia riu andu 300 ni manyititwo kuma riria mukaana wa gutema miti wekirirwo. Andu-ini a Kameme TV, njitagwo Miringu wa Mungai.